Right, welcome back. Let's do question 5a. Let's just go through the information first. Right, in the diagram below, triangle ABC is drawn. You can see triangle ABC. E is a point on AC. E is a point on AC. We see point E there. And D is a point on BC with AB parallel to ED. Okay, what do you see here? We have the line drawn parallel to AB. We have the line ED drawn parallel to AB. So which theorem do you think of here? A line drawn, parallel to one side of a triangle. What does it do? It divides the other two sides proportionally. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides proportionally. So it means AC and BC are divided by this line ED proportionally. That's the proportionality theorem. Okay, let's continue with our information. F is a point on ED. This is F here. And then G is a point on EC. That is point G there. With FG parallel to BC. Again, we have line FG drawn parallel to DC. So it means this line divides the other two sides proportionally, divides line ED and EC proportionally. Right, let's continue. AE is 4 units, we have it there, so there's no need to add it. BD is 3 units, we have it there. And DC is 9 units, we have it there. Then this you have to be very, very careful. These are ratios. So EF to FD is equal to 2 is to 1. These are not the lengths of EF and FD. It's a ratio. Ratio means this thing can be 20 is to 10, can be 4 is to 2, can be 6 is to 3. Okay, so it's a ratio. So you have to be very, very careful. Let's add that information. So we can say EF here, we have to put a variable then. So it becomes a 2K. You can use A, you can use B, and then 1K. Just K, say K here for 1K. You see that? Because K can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. For example, if K is 2, it means it will be 4 is to 2. The length will be 4 and 2. You see that? So be careful when you're dealing with ratios. Check, are you given the ratios or you're given the real lengths? Now, calculate the length of EC. This one is very easy, I think. Right, we have the line ED that is parallel to AB, therefore dividing the sides AC and BC proportionally. So meaning that here we can say EC, or let's start with EC, the one that we are looking for. EC over AE is equal to DC over BD. Remember that. Okay. EC over AE is equal to DC over BD. Okay. And then we have the real lengths there. So we can use them as they are. So we can say EC over AE is equal to DC over BD. What's the reason? How do we write the reason here for proportionality theorem? We say line parallel to one side of triangle. That's the reason you write. Okay, let's substitute what you're given there. So it's EC over 4, because AE is 4, is equal to DC, which is 9. We have DC over BD, which is 3. You see that? And then you cross multiply here, multiply both sides by 4. So it becomes EC is equal to 9 over 3 times 4. Okay, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So EC is equal to 12 units. Please take note of that. We're going to use this in our next question. So this is 12 units. Okay, done. So that's what you're supposed to do there. Okay, we'll meet when you do question 5b.